Welcome back, guys. So right now we want to talk about creating comic book. But before we proceed, we need to talk about the processes that comes with you creating a comic book. So right now I want to list out the processes just like the way we have our video creation process. So I would say I want to create the processes. I want to create the processes for creating comic books with generative AI. With generative AI, so we have the following. So it's going to start from a storyline, of course. I always start everything with a storyline. So with a storyline, so you have a storyline first. A storyline first. That's the first thing you do. Then after you have a storyline, you need to structure your story and character structure. Okay, so structure your story, or let's structure the story. Structure your story and character DNA for consistency, which is very important. Yes, then we're going to have design. Okay, we're going to have image generation. Yes, image generation comes in as well. Image generations of character with core character blocks for consistency. Yes, that is very important. Okay, so image generation, structure your story. Let's say structure your story in a comic strip. Yes, structure your story into a comic strip. That will be the second, and this will be the third. So after we have image generation, we're going to have our design each panel of the comic and match it with the right dialogue boxes. Okay, so after we have a design right there, we're going to finalize the comic. Yes, comic book. So let's have this sent and see what we come up with. So I want to create the processes for creating comic books with generative AI. So we have the following, and these are the following. So we are waiting for this to give us a blueprint, of course. So this is a fantastic workflow to build since you have a background in both creative direction. So here we have the phase one, which is the story engine. So we're going to have all these right now. So let's have all these. So this now is going to be copied. So we're going to have the animation comic book creation processes. Okay, so now we're going to have something like an SOP for this. So you're going to say submit checklist for your SOP. So we have this as the SOP. So let's have this right now. So that's what we have so far. So I'm going to paste the documents here, and we can go through the documents one by one. So we're going to have these right now, starting from the phase one. So phase one stays story engine, which is scripting. Before generating pixels, you need a script format, especially for visual storytelling, not just a novel. The concept prompt starts by feeding the AI your core idea. As a poet, you can focus on the theme and emotional arc. Okay, so as a comic writer or designer, you can focus on the theme and emotional arc. The comic script format instructs the LLM to output the story in a panel by panel format. It must describe panel number, e.g., page 1, panel 1, visual description, action, setting, lighting, camera angle, characters, presents, who is in the shots, dialogue, character speech, captions, narrator voice. Okay, there won't be a narrator, of course, so it's going to be okay. Captions, there could be captions, of course, like a narrator voice. Yes, the character block, consistency architecture. This is the hardest part of AI comics. You cannot just prompt a boy in every panel. It must be the same boy. You need to build a master character sheet before starting the comic. Step A, Define the variables, create a test prompt that will never change. This is your seed prompt. Example, this will never change. Then step B, generate the turnaround sheet. Generate a character reference sheet showing the character from multiple angles, front, side, back, and with different expression on a neutral background. Why? You will use these images as image reference, image to image, inputs later to force the AI to look at the character structure, ensuring they don't change faces between each panel. So step C says the costume lock. If the character changes clothes, the AI often changes their face. Keep the outfit consistent in your prompt unless the story dictates a change. So visual 3, which is visual prompt, which is the comic strip. Now you generate the actual story panels using the script from phase 1 and the character block from phase 2. Shortlist strategy. Don't just generate generic scenes. Use cinematic camera in terms of prompts to make the comic dynamic. Extreme close up for emotional reaction. Aspect ratio control. Standard panel, you have your ratio. And we have phase 4, which is design. This is where you switch from generator to product designer. Avoid generating the panel borders inside the AI tool. They usually come out messy. Generate the artwork. So this now, I'm just going to show you how to go about this. So now we want a script, we want the generation, and we want the assembly. So let's say what we need now is basically this. So it's going to say script. So my SOP goes this way. Script, generate a page, panel breakdown script, generation, generate panels one by one using a master sheet as an image reference to maintain identity, import images into a layout to crop into panel and add text bubbles manually. So that is the processes of how to create a comic book. But I'm going to show you more things about you creating comic books so you get to understand your idea behind it. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.